When this engine is idling, there's a little bit of a chirping, squeaking noise coming from somewhere up in this area. This is an M273 V8. I'm going to start the engine up, see if you can hear this, and we're going to try to diagnose this little squeak together. I think you can hear it. Sounds like there's a mouse trap down in that belt. You see, it could be some bearing down in here, or it could be the belt. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I've used for years, trying to determine whether it's a belt or a bearing. Just take some fresh water. We're going to pour this water right on the belt while the engine's running. If it's a belt problem, the noise will go away immediately. Listen. Nice. That's the way it should sound. So we've got a belt here that's making that squeaking noise. But why? I just replaced the belt in this car 30 days ago. Look at that. If I could sit here and pour water on it while it's going down the road, just listen to how smooth this engine would run. If this were not an M273 V8 or an M272 V6, because they both have the same issue, I would probably think, oh, I got a bad belt, and I would go out and replace the belt. Now, this is a serpentine belt. Serpentine belts do not normally squeak like this unless they get contaminated, particularly if they get contaminated with engine oil. I almost know for sure right now what the problem is. This little culprit right here, this is the oil cooler, and the gasket in behind this oil cooler is known to leak. And guess where it resides? Right on top of the belt. So if it's leaking in this gasket, it's going to drip right on the belt. So let's see. I just take my hand down here. I'm going to get right on the bottom edge of this. Look at that. We've got oil dripping on the belt. So you M272 and M273 owners, keep an eye on this gasket. You know, this is something I recommend you replace at the 100,000 mile inspection. But in this case, if you hear a squeaky, squeak, squeak like that, 80% of the time, it's going to be this problem right here. So we're going to roll this into the shop, pull this oil cooler off, and replace that seal.